Welcome to your journey home into the world of XL Homes. We strive to create lasting value in all our communities. This is best achieved when you, as the homeowner, know and perform some simple, basic maintenance tasks.
Periodic maintenance is necessary because of normal wear and tear, the inherent characteristics of materials used in your home, and normal service requirements by the various systems and equipment in your home.
XL Homes is pleased to provide simple and easy-to-follow seasonal checklists that will ensure your home will remain healthy and beautiful. Let's start with the inside of your home. Check and reset all ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCIs, in all bathrooms or at the electrical panel.
Test all smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors. Clean or replace furnace filter.
Check or clean your heat recovery ventilator, or HRV. You may need to wash or replace the filter. For the exterior of your home, if possible, carefully remove the snow or ice from the roof overhangs and vents to prevent ice damming. We recommend hiring a professional.
Check roofing and flashing for signs of wear or damage. Once again, we recommend hiring a professional for this type of inspection.
It is also important to clear the snow from your driveway and walkways in the winter. Leaving snow and ice on a new concrete driveway can cause damage through the freeze-thaw cycles.
And finally, check and reset all ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, found at the exterior outlets.
Maintaining your new residence properly and regularly will ensure that every facet of your home performs as intended, avoiding unnecessary and costly repairs. Congratulations on your new home purchase with XL Homes. At XL Homes, it's all about simplifying your journey home.